Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making a classic dessert that's as light as a cloud, Pavlova. This delightful meringue-based dessert is topped with whipped cream and fresh fruits, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make your Pavlova. 4 large egg whites at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of heavy cream for whipping, and fresh fruits for topping like berries, kiwis, and passion fruit. Optional mint leaves for garnish. Start by preheating your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit or 135 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and draw a circle about 8 inches in diameter as a guide. In a clean, dry mixing bowl, add the egg whites. Using a stand mixer or handheld mixer, beat the egg whites on medium speed until soft peaks form. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have soft peaks, gradually add the granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to beat on high speed. This will help dissolve the sugar and create a glossy meringue. Beat until the mixture forms stiff peaks. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Now add the white vinegar, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. Gently fold these into the meringue using a spatula. This will help stabilize the meringue and give it that characteristic soft interior. Spoon the meringue onto the prepared baking sheet using the drawn circle as a guide. Create a slight well in the center for the toppings later. Smooth the edges to give it a nice shape. Place the meringue in the preheated oven and bake for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. You want the pavlova to be crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. Once done, turn off the oven and let the pavlova cool completely inside. This will help prevent cracks. While the pavlova cools, let's whip the cream. In a chilled bowl, add the heavy cream and beat on medium speed until soft peaks form. You can sweeten it with a little sugar if you prefer. Once the pavlova is completely cool, carefully remove it from the parchment paper and place it on a serving platter. Spread the whipped cream evenly over the top, creating a lovely mound in the center. Now for the fun part, adding the toppings. Arrange your fresh fruits on top of the whipped cream. Berries, kiwis, and passion fruit add beautiful colors and flavors. To finish, you can garnish with mint leaves for a fresh touch. Slice and serve your pavlova immediately for the best texture. And there you have it, your very own homemade pavlova. Light, airy, and bursting with flavor, this dessert is sure to impress your guests or make any gathering special.
You've been a good friend.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and let us know how your pavlova turned out in the comments below. Happy baking!